So Olga has blocked up sinuses, both frontal ethmoidal and maxillary sinus. Where do you feel it the most?
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
No, right here.
All right, so we're gonna start with an activator set on the lightest setting, but that still is strong, so we're gonna go through my fingertip. So first we're gonna contact right in here by the, and it's so strong. She's flinching because of the sound. And then we're gonna come up here. And then I like to use these acupressure points here and then in the eye. It's kind of up here in the crease up here. And you can look these up. They're just acupressure points for sinuses. And then you can also do a tapping series. Now breathe in again. How's that now? It's getting better.
Does it get rid of my wrinkles too?
No, it doesn't get rid of wrinkles. Breathe in again. Good.